Good morning, I am Mrs. Rabab Ahmed, your math teacher, for covering lesson 3, unit 1, prep 2, algebra, which is factorization, the perfect square trinomial. Let's move to slide number 2, perfect square. At the beginning, we will know what is the meaning of perfect square. Perfect square number or perfect square algebraic term. Perfect square number, which is 49, which can be factorized into 7 by 7. So we can say that 49 is a perfect square number. Also 16y power 2 z power 4. Sorry, it can be factorized into 4y z power 2. The square root of 16y power 2 z power 4 is a whole square or is a whole number. So we can say that it's a perfect square trinomial if we have the first and the third term is a perfect square and the middle term equal positive or negative 2 times the square root of the first term and the square root of the third term. If you be sure that the first term can be factorized or a perfect square and the third term is also a perfect square and the middle term equal positive or negative 2 times the square root of the first term and the square root of the third term, here we can say that it's a perfect trinomial square. And how we can factorize the perfect trinomial square? By the square root of the first, square root of the third or the second to the power 2. So if we have 9x power 2 minus 30x plus 25 at the beginning, look at the first term, 9x power 2, it's a perfect square. We can factorize it into 3x. Look at 25, also the perfect square. We can factorize it into 5. Then take the sign of the middle, which is negative. So we have two brackets are the same, or we can write the bracket 3x minus 5 to the power 2. Let's move to slide number 3. Remember that at the beginning, you should take out the highest common factor if you find, or if you have a common factor. Order the algebraic term in descending order according to its power. Factorize each of the following. m power 2 minus 2m plus 1. At the beginning, be sure that is a perfect trinomial expression. m power 2 is a perfect. Number 1 is a perfect. Square root of m and square root of 1 equal m times 2, it will be 2m. As we see, the middle term here is 2m. So we can factorize the trinomial into m minus 1 to the power 2. Let's move to exercise number 2. 25x power 2 minus 30x plus 9. Be sure that is a perfect trinomial expression. 25x power 2, 5x. 9, 3. 3 times 5x equals 15 times 2 equals 30. So the middle term here is 30x. So it will be 5x minus 3 to the power 2. Let's move to exercise number 3. X power 2 minus 12x plus 36. Be sure that the expression is perfect trinomial. X power 2 will be x, 36 will be 6. So we have x minus 6 to the power 2. Let's move to slide number 4. We have here 36 minus 60k plus 25k power 2. We will arrange the expression at the beginning. It will be 25k power 2 minus 60k plus 36. Be sure that is a perfect trinomial square. 25k power 2, 5k. 36, it will be 6. By taking 6 times 5k, it will be 30 times 2, it will be 60k. We have here the middle is 60k. Okay. Factorize the following way. 5k minus 6 to the power 2. Let's move to exercise number 5, which is 4x power 3 minus 4x power 2y plus xy power 2. At the beginning, you will take the highest common factor, which is x. As we see, we have a common factor here. take x outside the expression. It will be 4x power 2 minus 4xy plus y power 2. Be sure that the expression is a perfect trinomial expression. Then, after you sure, it will be 4x power 2, it will be factorized into 2x, and y power 2 will be factorized into y. Taking the middle sign here is negative, so we have x times 2x minus y to the power 2. Let's move to slide number 5. Complete if x power 2 minus kx plus 25 is a perfect square. Perfect square. So we will need to get the middle term. It's a very important exercise. By using the rule of the middle. The rule of the middle equal positive or negative 2 times square root the first and the square root of the third, which is x power square root of x power 2 equal x, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the middle here is positive or negative 10x. So k equal positive or negative 10. Number 2. If the expression x power 2 plus 14x plus b is a perfect square, then b, I said to you that it's a perfect trinomial square. So to get the value of b, 14x equal positive or negative square root x power 2 times square root b. 14x in the middle equal positive or negative 2 times x times square root b. So square root b, we will cancel x with x. So square root b equal 7. By moving the square root to the other side to the power, it will be power 2. So b equals 49. That's all, and thank you for your listening.